Hello everyone, myself Madhuri, a psychologist and a counselor. So here I come up with my next video, that is simple strategies to reframe your negative thinking patterns. In my previous video, I had spoken about the needs and ways to cultivate optimistic mindset. So now today let us see to reach there. So obviously you have to work on your negative thinking patterns. So how do you identify and how do you reframe them? While it is very important to be considerate about how or what you're saying to the other person because it might hurt them, but it is also very necessary and very important to be considerate about what you are telling to yourself. The self internal dialogues, what's are happening. So what is it? We just don't give a thought over it. We tell a lot of hurting things to ourselves. I'm just good at nothing. I'm so dumb. So why do we hurt ourselves so much? So this first step towards changing this negative thinking pattern starts with identifying the internal dialogues, what you are doing with yourself. A simple shift from this is too difficult to okay, it is challenging, but let me break it into steps and start from the first step is a move towards being positive and it will take you ahead. First of all, it is very important to understand that you cannot always control what happens to you, but surely you can have control over how you react to that situation. Okay, this understanding will help you that it's not always a situation which is creating a reaction in a person, but it is the thought process about that situation which is creating a reaction. For example, you fail in an interview. So one person thinks, okay, I had given my best, but it was a good experience, what I learned from this interview, which will surely help me in my next interview. So obviously he is already moving forward and is preparing for the next. Whereas another person who has failed in the interview where he thinks that, okay, I had prepared so well and still I did not get through, which means I cannot get through the other interviews because this is my ultimate what I have done. So then there is a blockage there itself and that person is going to feel very bad and mainly he is going to be stuck there because there is no move ahead. He has already told himself that I had prepared my best, nothing more than this I can do. So how do we exactly reframe these negative thoughts? The first important thing here would be awareness. Being aware of your internal dialogues, being mindful of your thoughts and being able to describe the situations as accurately as possible. So it is very important to identify also your feelings and then take a note of what are the thoughts which gave rise to this kind of a feeling, so that you identify those thoughts and you can start working upon them. This is not a easy process as I am telling it, but this requires a conscious effort, sitting back, giving yourself time and understanding yourself, your feeling, your thoughts and noting it down. Many times it is required that you have to note down, okay, when I felt like this was a thought what was in my mind, and when I started thinking in this way, my feelings also changed. So sit down and note down these things. So it is very important that you are aware of your thoughts. Important thing in reframing your negative thoughts would be that once you are aware of these thoughts, question your thoughts. Is my thoughts really accurate? Is it 100% true? Is it in any ways benefiting me or is it helpful? So question your thoughts and you have your answer why you have to stop thinking that way. The next way to work on your thinking pattern is to identify your strengths. Maybe you note down, make a list of these strengths. So you use these concrete statements of strength against those harsh self-talks what you do with yourself. So whenever you are using some harsh negative statements towards yourself, you can go back to your list and remind yourself that okay, no, I have these many positive qualities in me, these many strength in me. So identify your strength. Also, try to rephrase your negative thoughts. Like many a times people or teenagers have this thinking in their mind, young adults have this thinking in their mind, no one likes me. Obviously that is not true. So you have to rephrase this thought that no, there are these 2 3 4 people who like me very much, who like to hang out with me very much, they have fun with me. So rephrase. Okay, there are some people who don't want to come with you or something, that feeling you have got, but this statement that no one likes me is absolutely not true. That's such a harsh statement you're making with yourself. So rephrase your negative thoughts. And finally, sometimes you have to come out of yourself and try to look from another person's perspective. Like if my friend or my any close one had this thought in his mind and he would share this with me, what would I suggest him? How would I talk to him? Okay, so come out of yourself and try to understand the thinking pattern and how would you deal with that way of thinking. Apply that to yourself. This also many a times helps. So myself, Madhuri, a psychologist and a counselor. So these were some of the simple strategies which you could use to identify and reframe your negative thinking pattern and work more towards the optimistic mindset. Thank you for listening. Hope this short video was a little informative and beneficial. Please do share the video if you found it a little useful. Also, you can leave a comment if there is any particular topic which you would like me to address upon. Thank you for listening once again. Have a great day.